This unit is one of our special stainless steel range. This particular one is an electric lift. That's power electric lift, power electric clamp, and electric power rotation. This particular head can pick up lots of different sizes of drums. So for this particular one, I'll do 500mm drums all the way down to 350mm drums. I'll demonstrate this now by picking up these two different sizes of drums and placing them over this side. We have the controls on the back of the control panel here, and you have to use two hands to operate any of the clamp or lift functions. And then the rotational function is done on this pendant controller, which allows you to walk up near the head when you're actually discharging contents into a vessel, say. This simply hooks up out the way here. So we simply push the unit forward. Ensure that our bands are lined up with the drum. As soon as we're happy that we have the alignment on the bands, we have to use two fingers here and press the two green clamp buttons. Once the unit has clamped the drum, a green light illuminates on the back of the panel, and this shows you that the clamp is actually exerting a pressure onto the drum, and we have achieved our full clamp pressure. Then we simply press a button on the back of the panel here, where we can lift the drum up, and then simply maneuver the unit away. If we wanted to rotate the drum and tip it into the vessel, we obviously push it near the vessel, take our pendant controller here, and on this controller we have rotate forwards, rotate backwards, and a stop button. So if we want to stop at any stage, we can always either let go of the button, it'll automatically stop, but in an emergency, just to press that red button. So simply it's very simple, very easy. Okay, and then when we finish with that one, obviously it's important we mustn't touch any of the clamp buttons on the back panel whilst the drum is lifted, because obviously if we press release, we have to use both fingers to do that, but we'll actually open the clamp and drop the drum. So let's move this drum around. It's very easy to maneuver the unit. So just maneuver over this drum here, press lower on this button, and then we want to open the clamp. So again, got clamp release here. You can hear the audible warning there, so this just tells you that the clamp is moving. Wheel the unit away. Obviously you want to lower the head down now, so again just press lower. Again, just push it in. You can align the pads very easily by just moving the back of the unit. Just check that we have the correct alignment on the pads, and then again use two fingers, both at the same time, pressing up clamp, and you'll hear the audible warning again. Green light is illuminated on the back of the panel. That shows that we've actually gripped the drum, and then we can again, the ideal thing is we can walk around to the front of the vessel. And if we were tipping powders or anything like that, we can actually move right round to the front of the drum and still activate the tip. We make these units, this is a forward tipping model, so the drum obviously tipping forward, but we also make this model as a side tipper, so we can grip the drum and we can tip the whole drum sideways, or it may be that's a roll of film, because the same design, we use this exactly the same design to pick up rolls of film, and then so we can load them onto spindles sideways.